Hey everyone, welcome to the page. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our brand new lower surround of our weather stripping here at 3SX. We're going to start by removing the upholstery on the bottom of your door card, followed by the 3 lower screws. And you're going to want to remove your door handle and remove the screw there and the one to the right of it. Next, we're going to want to locate these 2 clips. Go ahead and use a plastic trim piece to get those out just so we don't damage anything. And then with just a little bit of effort, you should be able to pull the door card off and the 2 clips connecting the light and your window switches. You're gonna go ahead and start ripping off your old lower surround, and we're gonna cue the clip montage. This is where we do recommend sliding the right side of the surround through the door hinge here, just so we can kind of keep everything in place while you clip in your new weather strip. From here, everything should be pretty straightforward, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that clip montage roll again. It is definitely a good idea to go back and make sure that all of your clips are completely secure to make sure that everything seals correctly, and when you close your door for the first time, you don't run the risk of damaging anything. And just like that, go ahead and flip it and reverse it. Repeat that process to get your door card back on and enjoy your new and improved lower door surrounds from here at 3SX. Thank you guys so much for watching.